way back.
Going back.
No, he's going back out.
Coming back. Coming back.
Here he comes. There he is.
Why'd you come from right here? Is that something that's over here?
Yeah, he's going to find my hog.
Yeah.
Right, there he is.
That's like 70 miles away.
That's 55 yards where he was standing.
Dang.
What?
My pants are all the way wet.
I know, you're going to have to change them when you get home.
Then I'll change them to the other pants, the one that fall down.
Yeah. Alright, whatever. Here he comes. Oh, there he goes.
I shouldn't have shut me in.
I know. Quiet. He's about to get something. He's back up that way.
Back that way?
56 yards.
Hey, he's going over.
70 yards. 80.
$94, $97. He's coming back a little bit, then he went back out. He's coming back. He's going way out.
123. Oh, he went across.
Across where?
He's over here now.
How did he go across?
Right up there. He is 126, 27. He's still running.
105.
Alright, come on. Alright, here he comes. He's on the way back. Hey, he's right over in here.
He's right over there.
No, he's right there.
I just heard him.
He's out there 76 yards. Oh, man. Shh, that wasn't him. Here he comes. Quiet. He'll go get that hog. He's up there now. Yeah, he's up there. Come on. He's 80 yards. There he is.
Asked me to walk across there. And I would not be able to.
54 yards. I think he got him one.
I think he came from over there.
No, back there. Come on. He's out 100 yards. He's chasing it. He's straight out. Oh, he's on the way back now. There's something over there. He's up that way. He wants that hog. 69 yards. Now he's 101. 110. He's on the way back.
Can you just look up?
$105. He's going down towards the road. Come on. $150.
Going back under?
Yeah, he's way out there. That sounded like a coyote. Uh-oh, I lost him. At 153 out here.
Oh, he went out too far?
Got him back. He's 217 yards. Come on. 215. Alright. Stand right here. I lost him again. Let's go up here. Wait. Oh shit, he's up by the road. Let me see, where is he at? I'm cutting through right here.
Is there water?
No.
No? How much are those?
Almost $200. What? I'm going back up front where he's at. Come on. Oh, he's back here. Yeah, he's straight over. He's straight over there. 216 yards. Well, shit, I need to go back this way and get him. He's out there chasing something. Angus! Angus! Alright, now he's at 315. I got him back. Look at that, 315, yeah.
Why was that 200?
318. Angus! I lost him. Come on. 338. He's out there. Want to go out there? Yeah, he's still over there in the woods. No, he's up here by the road. He's still in the woods, but he's up there by the road.
I hope he doesn't go and cross the road.
I hope he don't either and get hit.
You go falling into that big humongous stick.
Angus! Come on, boy! Come on! Angus! $338, $39, $340. Alright, we gotta go, come on. $345. See there, I lost my dog. At 350 yards. Come on, Lucas, stay with me. He's straight out there. He's running. Oh shit, he's up by the road. He's coming back. You ready to go back home? Huh? Oh, he's behind me, 290. Angus! Come on, boy! Come! Oh, I lost him. He got one. Come on, Luca. Oh, shit. Let's go in here. Come on. Angus! He's right there.
Going in.
Yep, I'm going in. Whoa!
Whoa. Whoa! Hey, you're going to have to lift me up.
Go over there. Come on. Angus!
I can't get over there.
Yes, you can. Come on. You can come over here. Come on. Let's go, son.
Hey.
Hey, what? Come on. Angus! Angus! He's chasing it. Angus! Come on, boy. Come on. He's up here. Angus, come on. Come on, son. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, Angus. Can't catch it, leave it. Come on, boy. He's straight ahead of me. Yeah. Come on. Angus. Come on. Alright, we're going back out. He was going out further. He's out 100 yards again. Yeah. Hey, come on, son. You can do it.
You gotta wait after this?
Huh? No, come on. We're getting out of here the same way we got in. He's gone out again. Come on. Watch that stump right there. Where you at? Oh. Alright, come on. Oh, I've lost him again.
It's freaking hard trying to get it. Trying to get up.
Huh?
It's freaking hard trying to get up.
Yeah, he's out by the road. But he is chasing it. He's out 150 yards now. Alright, come on. Yeah, he's real close to the road. Come on, son. Alright. Hang out with me. Alright, come on.
Hey, well, I can get it. Oh, you want to spider?
Straight in there, come on. Yeah, he's over in there. He's up here by the trail. You gonna hobble this hog?
Yeah.
You gonna catch him?
I'll try.
No, you gotta do it, son. You can't try. You gotta do it.
I don't know how to
Alright, come on up here with me.
to put it into Angus's mouth.
No, I'm talking about you gotta hobble the hog first.
What?
Because if you pull Angus off too early, he'll,
Angus will bite me?
no, the hog will. Angus won't bite you. Not unless you're a hog. Yeah, he's over in there.
And yesterday when I was cutting my hair, I went to go cut my hair and Angus growled it.
Yeah, he's going further in there now. Well, up that way.
Well, don't let him get all the way back there.
I'm trying not to, son. I'm trying to keep a hold of him.
Because of that police thing.
Oh, I'll always keep a track on him. Oops, I lost him. He's in there. He's right in there. Angus, where you at, son?
Oh, look at that big tree.
All right, come on, Luca. I can't be playing around. I got a dog to find. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right. Come on, boy. Angus. Angus. Angus.
Why just heard a hog?
I know, he was barking at one. Angus! Come on, son! Come on! The hell is that? Somebody's AC? Oh, their TV. Just on that. Oh shit, he's back the other way. Angus! Angus! Oh, he's straight in. Come on, boy! Angus! Oh, now he's up here running towards me. He's right up here. Now, whatever he was chasing, hauled ass quick. Come on, boy! Yeah, see there? 243 yards.
Coming back?
And no, he's going straight ahead. Whoops, I lost him. Angus! Come on, boy! Angus! Come! Let's go! Yo! Let's go, son! Yeah, he's up this way. He's 189 yards that way. And 72 now. Hey, guys! Come on, boy! Let's go! Here he comes. I think. Come on! Angus! Let's get it! I lost him again. He's deep in the woods, I know that. Come on, son. I don't hear him. Come on. Don't be poking around back there. Let's go. Damn. I hope there ain't no bees up here. Angus! Let's go!
I hope someone's mine.
Angus! Come on, boy! Yeah, it's time to go back home. Here he comes. Come on, boy! Let's go! He's over there. There he is. Hey! I'm right here. Come here. Here, hold this. Come here. Angus! Angus! I know you didn't catch him. But you damn sure done some running. You damn sure done some running, son. Alright, we're gonna go home, Luca. Because the traffic is getting too busy out here. Alright? Somebody's been driving through here. I hope that dude ain't got them bees out here anymore. Keep a hold of that, because I want to go that way. Oh, that's a gunshots down there. Yeah, he was in the woods chasing something. Chasing that damn hog. He crossed that creek right there. Damn spiders. Yeah, look at that creek. See it? And he was in that garbage. Come on, son. You done good, son. You done good. See, there's my little boy. He's trying to take a shit. Or, no, he just got through. But he can't. Whoa, there's that beehive. I ain't coming in here. I'm going out that way. Look at them pants are too big for you, son. You know that? But I got my baby back. Alright, come on. I don't know what he is after in there, but I was hoping to see some blood on him. You know, the pig blood, like he's done before. He kept on going into that one spot. Oh, he's wanting to go in there now. You know, come on. Come on, son. We ain't going in there.
Why are you hoping that he has pig blood on him?
Because it tells me he got a pig.
Not a pig, but a pig.
Well, that's because he let him go if he'd had the blood on him. Come here, son. Not so fast. Hey. Keep going. Here, oh, there's a trail. That's where they've been going in at. See it all rooted up?
Yes.
Yeah. They've been going around right there and going through. Come on, Angus. But if I see a pig right there, oh God, look at it all rooted up in there. Wow. See that black in there?
Yeah.
That black dirt, that's all rooted up. And look at Angus.
Yeah, but right there in that water, I heard something go boom.
That was a fish.
What if it's a gator?
Ain't no gator's gonna be in that lightweight shit. Let's just go on home. Unless I see a pig.
Then you're letting him loose to get?
Huh?
Then you're letting him loose to get?
Yeah, see, they've been running right through there. See all them mud holes?
Yeah.
That's the wallering hole. Wanna go out there?
Me?
Yeah, you. Huh? Yeah, that's all rooting out there. Just a bunch of rooting.
You know what I'm saying now? 'Cause look.
Yeah, see here? Look at all these foot tracks. Oh, I'm sorry, Angus. Come on.
I'm saying no.
He was after something.
I'm saying no because look.
You're soaking wet. And you haven't even been in the water.
No, it's because all those plants have been wet and I've been walking into them. I've been walking over them and some of them I've been.
Alright. You want to keep a hold of that or no? Alright, keep going, son. I've had Angus come out of here and meet me down the street down there. Alright. No, you're not going over there. I know damn well that's where you caught your last one. Well, not your last one. The one before your last. Look at him. Look at him winding. Oh. Look at all that black on his ears and on his back. He's been in the mud somewhere. And there ain't no damn wind out here. It's supposed to be coming out of the east. You feeling better, son?
Why are you saying this morning? I think I'm gonna stress it.
Oh, it's getting hot now, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, let me spin this around, Angus. Let me spin this around. Huh. Alright, come on. Yep, he was after something. What? I don't know. Oh well, so much for that, huh?